In the previous video, we drew an ellipse. We started out with a circle of radius 1. We stretched it by a factor of 5 in the x direction and a factor of 3 in the y direction. So now we are going to, so this is the center of the ellipse. We're going to move it across by 2 and then down by 1. So we're going to move it across by 2, down by 1. So the center was here, now it's going to be here, the center of the ellipse, not to scale, badly drawn. Okay, so what is the equation of this ellipse? So if I were to give you f of x equals x squared, it will give you a graph looking like this. And then if you want to move it across by 2, you would apply this transformation, fx minus 2, always in the opposite direction. So minus 2, you move it to the right. So now it will move it to the right. So if you want to move the ellipse across by 2, you would play about with this x here. You would apply this sort of transformation on this. So hang on. So if you want to move it across by 2 in the positive direction, you have to do x minus. It's always in the opposite direction. So now it looks like this, 25, and then we want to drag it down by 1, so it's always in the opposite direction, so y plus 1 in the y direction. So now the equation of our ellipse is given by this. So if you punch this into a graphical calculator, it would move it across by 2 and then down by 1. Okay.